But first, let me go across to Hormaz for the top movers and shakers of the day. Hormaz.
After a bit of a topsy-turvy last few sessions, finally we could say we had a good session today, benchmarks and broader markets alike. And there was a particular sector that was in the spotlight all through the day, and that was real estate, and that was on the back of the CNBC-TV18 news break getting confirmed on the indexation benefits bit. Oberoi Realty, DLF, Macrotech, after almost a 16% correction from the budget day ending 4.5% higher today, one of the top performers on the index. Metals had a very good day in today's session. The metals index was the top sectoral gainer. Vedanta was up 4.5%, as was Hindustan Copper. SAIL and Nalco having pretty similar charts, ending at the highest point of the day are both of them, and Welspun Corp as well after the order win gaining around 3%. There were plenty of earnings and they continue to have a reaction on these specific stocks as well. Lupin had a good result. Pidilite as well came out with numbers during market hours, 3% higher there. Aditya Birla Fashion saw a sharp correction from the highs of the day, ending lower after reporting a net loss during the quarter, and Gland Pharma and Bata also seeing some negative reactions to their respective earnings. PSUs, as you guys mentioned, staged a comeback in today's session. Oil India, ONGC, Oil India ahead of results, ONGC after results, both ending 8% higher. Coal India on the back of some positive brokerage commentary, and HAL snapping a 6-day losing streak in today's session, 5% higher. Mentioning IREDA as well, that too snapped a 6-day losing streak in today's session. A couple of stocks that I wanted to mention, Fusion Finance was one of them, a 20% lower circuit all through the day, no movement whatsoever after the Q1 performance and the downgrade as well, the stock closing below its IPO price. And lastly, Hindustan Zinc, and that is because of the CNBC-TV18 news break of the government OFS being back on the table, the government owning around 29.5% stake at the end of the June quarter, the stock ending 2.5% lower today. Back to you guys.
Okay, thank you very much for that.